with the six-wheeler and start heading towards County 19. 10-4. Minot Central, Minot Rule 283 and 284 will be en route over to the airport, not even 10-4, 283, 284. Course for 27, 10, 27. Good. 27, go ahead. 27 from Washington, last recently. Headed north, George. First name John, H. Middle name Sam, Henry, Ida, Henry, Mary, Ida, Nora, George. Date of birth 4/27/69, 4/27/69.
Maybe it's when the people get done for the shift from Florida, so they go out and shoot a bunch or something.
Well, he's got a bunch already.
And for the last name cut out with that INGALF.
Maybe it was that guy that went around us.
2 L's.
Go back the other way.
10-4, stand by.
Wow, that's pretty.
Headquarters.
Wow, I like that.
27.
Those
For
ones.
417 headquarters. And 417, I don't know if you copy or not, but we already have officers at 136th Avenue Northeast. The second caller was at number 536th
Oh,
Avenue.
those are kind of duddy.
I don't know if they're all the
It
same
just
subject
goes
or
up.
not. 442 and 433.
Like mortar lots is almost.
10-4. 427, headquarters. Go ahead. Our person's negative all the way. Go 27 to North Dakota. Going to be suspended / revoked to the third degree through Washington. You said to the third degree? First. 10-4. I'm assuming that the 27th has that abstract, so it's going to be his first offense. I'm also showing 3 other possible offenses on it.
Wow.
Can you see if there's an abstract and check that?
You're recording
10-4
this, Jack?
Washington
Yep.
is not automated.
Like I said, this seems
According
like
to the
the
27, he has 4 priors, but unknown when he's convicted of those. 10-4, could you call an agency and find out who he is? Signature.
Well, yeah, because even when we go to the
Go ahead.
fairgrounds, we never got this close.
The parade trail takes you now to gate G16, and it is locked.
They have bigger mortars and stuff, but this is pretty good.
They did this across the street last year.
Yeah, they hit it up like daytime. This last year.
And we're still working our way around. We're on 6th Street coming down right now. I'm gonna head back down that way. 10-4. 227-203.
Wow.
Go ahead for 227. Disregard going down to 19. Your best bet's going to be coming over by Hillcrest, the nursing home, coming down to 12th Street, and we are now turning north on 10th Street Northeast. 10-4, copy 10th Street Northwest. 203, Minor Rule 283. Go ahead. I do have a second firefighter with me.
Is this supposed to be the battle of the firework things?
Yep.
They're losing. These are much better.
283, what's your location? Central 4744, 1028 North Dakota. 95. 103 GIC 103, just RO, please.
Hardcore Renee,
427, go ahead. I'll be 1083. 10-4. I don't know if we're going to be able to get an abstract night because their driver's license division is closed. See if I can get access. 1062 copies.
Wow.
Told me going 1039 with North Dakota John Young Lincoln 502. John Young Lincoln 502. I'll be on 2nd Street Northwest and approximately 2nd Avenue.
Said pretty good, huh?
Negative. Just leave it as is. I'm just gonna hang out here actually for a minute so we can get the unfryers.
Yeah, that's what I was asking to see if he knew how many convictions he's had on Washington the last couple of years. And you can just take them off that.
Oh, wow. Look at all the smoke over there.
Just when I was thinking they weren't going to do anything.